Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Hope you dolls are having a great blessed day. Let's just jump right into the video. So this hair is from Dola. I did purchase this with my own money. I have a 24-inch bundle. I end up buying another bundle just to make the ponytail thicker, and then I have an 18-inch frontal. This is the density of it. It is a transparent lace. I highly recommend transparent lace because it blends even well compared to the regular lace, and you get to bleach to your liking, to your skin tone. That's the good thing about transparent lace. So in the next clip, you're gonna see my lace is bleached and pre-plucked already. It was already done. I did this hairstyle before, I just didn't have time to make the video. So the hairline isn't as pre-plucked as you can see. It's pretty thick, but as I told you before, just pluck it to your liking. There's plenty of videos to teach you how to pluck your lace. So now I have already put on my stocking cap method. I'm just putting the powder to blend it with my skin tone. So you just want to get a powder that's closer to your skin tone. If you want a video about like how to do a stocking cap method, there's plenty of videos out there, dolls. Just YouTube it, and then you can get a step-by-step tutorial of how to, do a stocking cap method. I use the Ghost Bond glue. That's my preference. You can use whatever lace glue that's best for you. And then I get the blow dryer and I put it on a cool setting to speed up the drying process. And I did 3 layers of glue. So now I'm just showing you dolls the bundles. They have been washed and air dry. You see how soft they are? They're soft, thick, and luscious. So this is a 24 inches, 2 bundles of 24 inches. For this hairstyle, you definitely just need 1 bundle. I'm just extra, but you can use 1 bundle just to give that more natural, long, thick look for your frontal ponytail. So now I'm just still blow drying. I have put like 3 layers of glue because I was planning to leave this hair for a while. And now I'm about to lay and melt the lace in. As you can see, the lace is already like bleached, if you see like little orange spots and stuff. So I'm just laying it down. You don't like go push the lace into the glue yet. You position it to where you think you want the wig to be at, and then boom, you press in. As you're gonna see me like later on just pressing it into my scalp once I found the right position. This is how the lace look. I did miss some spots around the front and the edges, so you just go in and just put some glue on there, and then repeat the method of drying it, and then you're good to go. So I did put a satin scarf around my edges to help it melt even better. You can get any kind of scarf that's satin, and that helps the hair lay down and dry while you're doing everything else. So now I'm just going to sew the back of the frontal down. This just helps from the frontal be flopping up. It just secure the frontal down and lay more seamlessly. And I'm just gonna keep it on the cap. So I'm just gonna sew it on the cap. And you just go from there, y'all. It's pretty self-explanatory, some of the parts. Now you're just gonna cut the lace off. Be careful not to cut your hair that's underneath in a ponytail. So you're just gonna go ahead and cut the remaining lace. Now I'm brushing to my desired look. I wanted to swoop in the front. Okay, so I just get a hard bristle brush to brush everything into place. So you take it, brush to your desired look, whatever frontal ponytail you want to do. You can do a swoop, you can do a middle, you can do it all the way back. It's up to your preference of what type of ponytail you want. So yeah, I'm just laying them, slicking it down, and you're just gonna see me get some spray and stuff to get that perfect slick back look. I forgot to mention that my real hair is in a low ponytail. If you watch frontal videos before, you know that you put your hair your real hair into a low ponytail or a high ponytail, whatever preference, how high you want your ponytail. So that's what you see in the back. That's my real hair. I know I need to straighten it even more. And then the next day I straightened it again because my hair is 4C, so it was hard to get it super slicky straight. Okay, so now I braided the hair and my hair into one, and then I folded it and sewed it so I don't have like a long skinny ponytail. Now you just take your first bundle, and I did double it, so I doubled the bundles so it can come into 2 pieces. And you take your needle and your thread and you sew it to the bottom of that braided ponytail, and I do like a couple like rounds, sewing rounds with it, and then from there you cut that and start wrapping the ponytail. Just wrap it really tight around your braided ponytail. So I just keep wrapping it really tight. It's not gonna fall off. You don't need no bobby pins, you don't need none of that. All you do is sew it at the bottom, wrap. Then you're gonna sew it on the top, and then wrap, and then you're good. So now I'm just going to get a little piece, and I use the Got To Be Free spray, and I'm going to spray a little piece so it can wrap around the ponytail so I can get that more seamless look. Now I'm just going to be cutting the 2 wispy sideburns that I pull out. You can put this sideburns if you want to. I just want to do it because I like the look. You do your frontal to your preference. Whatever you like, you do it, dolls. Alright, so I just straighten that out just to make it look better. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this scarf around my hair so it can help my natural hair in the back lay down. Y'all, I didn't get my natural hair super slick. As you can tell, it's still poofy. I have 4C hair. I did not get it super slick. So you're going to need all that gel and free spray and everything to get your hair down, y'all. If you have 4C hair, you know the struggles. So yeah, I didn't get it down really like super slick. I just went about my business. But now I'm just going to be straightening my ponytail. All you gotta do is just straighten your ponytail. If you want to keep it curly, you keep it curly. This frontal ponytail is to your preference. If you want to use curly hair, straight hair, whatever you like, you do it, dolls. Alright, y'all, so everything's all straightened, sprayed, laid down. I take my scarf off, and boom! Look at that silk lace front ponytail. Yes, dolls. Especially for my 4C girls, my natural girls. Look at this. They have something for us. But yeah, so I'm all done. I'm just combing everything out. You can see that at the back, I still need to try to get them kitchen, like, you know, more straight, but that's the best I could do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was fun to do. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on all my social medias. I love you, boos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.